It's Friday, and this is the Dream Garage from Honda Canada. As always, it's tips, fun facts, and trivia with a chance to win some great prizes, so let's get started. Today's tip: cleaning and lubricating your motorcycle chain. Before getting back into spring riding, have a look at your chain. Start by inspecting slack, then clean the chain and sprockets while rotating the rear wheel. Use a dry cloth with chain cleaner designed specifically for O-ring chains or a neutral detergent. If the chain is really dirty, use a soft brush. Once clean, wipe dry and lubricate the chain with a recommended lubricant. The amount of slack you need and more details on your specific model can be found in your owner's manual. If at any time you have questions or concerns, make sure to contact your Honda dealer. Okay, on to trivia, and today you'll be playing for this red Honda hat as well as the first aid kit. Question: in what year did Honda introduce the world's first ABS on a motorcycle? Answer below this post for your chance to win. Remember, you need to respond with the correct answer within 10 hours of this post going up to qualify. Good luck, and we will see you next week.